This is what is in a 2-tap dispensing kit. We offer them in 1, 2, 4 taps, and they're all slightly different. But regardless of which one you get, you can add a 5-pound CO2 tank, which ships empty, and a regulator is also an extra addition. It comes with blue CO2 hose, which has a 5/16 ID, and a 2-tap aluminum manifold. You can secure your lines with the hose clamps we provide. It also comes with 2 couplers and beverage jumpers, which have a stainless steel 90-degree piece and a nickel-plated beer nut on one side, and the same nickel-plated beer nut with a straight stainless steel tailpiece on the other side. And this hose also has a 5/16 ID. Now, a little more put together, this is what this looks like. Once again, the regulator and CO2 are extra if you need them, but the regulator just hooks up to the CO2 like this, and it runs the CO2 through to the manifold, which splits it into 2 different lines, going to your couplers, which attach to the kegs. And then from the kegs runs the beer or beverage of your choice out of the beverage jumpers, which then these are attached to the inputs on a jockey or jumper box.